unlike other types of photography, street photography starts with a complete blank canvas. And for me, I think that's what makes it such a challenge and so exciting. And it's one of the most rewarding genres of photography. Now, in most other types of photography, I've generally got a plan or some idea about what I'm going to be shooting. But of course, with street photography, everything is completely spontaneous. You need to have quick responses and react intuitively, as you are shooting unplanned chance encounters and random incidences at a decisive or poignant moment. Now, when you're out with your camera, you're never in the wrong place, and photo opportunities are all around you. And once you get tuned into your environment, it's amazing how those shots start to reveal themselves. Street photography takes real life and pauses it, capturing a tiny piece of daily life that will never be repeated. I like to capture images that make people think more profoundly about the meanings behind the images. Authentic photographs full of realism that document a tiny piece of daily social history. Now, each time I take my camera into the city, I begin a new adventure, and no 2 days are ever the same. Now, I guess that's what makes street photography such a challenge. I've really enjoyed putting this class together, and it's full of inspirational photographs and explanations about the techniques I use to capture each of them. Now, I am super excited to be part of your street photography journey, and I look forward to you joining me in module number 1.